Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a little unboxing of a subscription box that I have not had in years. Let me grab it. So we're unboxing the New Beauty test tube. So a little background, this subscription box, I think I got literally, this was either 2011 or 2012, and I think I got it from QVC. So at the time, this was the first ever subscription box I had ever gotten, and it actually came in a tube like this even back then. And it wasn't like the most stellar thing. It was mostly just samples, but I liked it at the time, and then it like kind of disappeared. I searched and searched and never saw it again. But luckily, thanks to my subscription addiction, I always mention them in most of my unboxings. I go to that blog for a lot of information, spoilers, coupon codes, all sorts of stuff, and they're really helpful. So the test tube is $29.95 plus $8.95 shipping. So essentially, you know, you're paying like 40 bucks, $39, and it's an every other month subscription. So the spoiler of this is what made me get it, honestly, because it's got an amazing full size that's like brand new, so I'm excited about it. I actually did mine for 1 year, so you save money that way, and I'll put on the screen exactly like how much the yearly is. You still pay for the shipping, but your cost per box is lower. So I was like, you know what, this seems like it's going to be a good deal. Let's just dive in for a year. I'll try it. At that point, I'll definitely know if I want it or not. So I got 6 of them for like a discounted rate. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right in. It does come with a little booklet that tells you all the info. And there is one item that's not in the test tube that's a little bit big. So this is the, I'm going to guess it's pronounced REICA, turmeric cucumber peel off mask. So it's in this box right here. So here is the container outside the box. I actually think it looks really cool. Like it's different, it's not in a jar. So it looks like this might save you a little bit of mess, because you could like kind of douse this right onto a silicone brush or something of that nature. So it says you apply all over face, 15 to 20 minutes, peel when dry. It looks like it's cruelty free, and I think it's vegan too. And this is actually made in India. So I am excited again to try that out. All right, now we can dive into the tube itself. So it's come packed like this. The first thing I see on top, this is the AMORE Pacific Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. So this one you can leave on as a mask or apply a thin layer as a moisturizer. This is for sale at Sephora now, and she's pretty expensive. So the full size of this cream is $200. So even this tiny little size, this is 0.2 ounces. I'm gonna guess we're still getting, you know, $20, $30 worth. I don't know, I'm gonna do the math. So it's just like a cream. I did kind of like play and test this. I'm taking what's out of the lid and put it on my hand. Oh, it's so nice. I love AMORE Pacific. I've said it so many times. If I could pick one brand and like have all of their stuff, that would be AMORE Pacific for sure. So again, that is Youth Revolution. So this is a big guy. So this is the Essential Elements Fresh Neroli Shower Gel. And this one goes for $29. Here's what the packaging looks like. Very bougie looking to me. Oh, that smells nice. It has like a citrusy type of scent to it. It says neroli. I honestly don't know what neroli is, if I'm being 100% honest, but this is no parabens, non-toxic, cruelty-free, biodegradable. The only downside is the second ingredient is sulfate. So I don't know, I'm trying to get away from using body washes that have so much sulfates in them, but this smells so good, I'll have to give it a try. Lately, I've been mixing like a sulfate-free one with just a tiny bit of shower gel that has a sulfate, because sometimes the sulfate-free ones don't clean as well and they feel like filmy. So I try to get like the best of both worlds. The next thing is Miracle Fruit Oil. This is Miracle Fruit Seed Oil. Repairs and strengthens. Okay, so this is a hair oil, it looks like. That's the packaging. Oh, it smells really good. There's a smell to it, but it's light. It's not overly heavy. Hair is one of those things where I'm like, okay, I can deal with a little fragrance because it's not going directly on the skin. Oh, that smells pretty good. Let me just complain about fragrance and then like the smell of it. So look at the shine on my hand. I know it's for hair, but I wanted to smell it and feel it. It's nice and thin too. The next thing is this PURVARI Organic Rose Petal Mist. That's what it looks like here. This is organic, paraben-free, gluten-free, phthalate-free, vegan. Nice. It says to spritz on skin after cleansing. You can use it as a makeup primer and a setter. Reduces redness and controls oil. I want to give this a shot because I only spritzed my face just a tiny bit. A strong little mist. That first little spray was like, but it's good after that. This doesn't have an overpowering rose scent too, which I like. I know a lot of people like rose. It's just like not something that I'm crazy about. The next thing is a Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Now I love these. I have several colors. I don't have this color. This is Sugar Plum. I just really love Grande products. This is what she looks like. Okay, so after all that clicking, here's what we got. Ooh, that's a very pretty color. Now this is the thing that was really exciting and was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna get that, because this is an $80 serum. This is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid. So this one just came out, and maybe the last month it came out, so really amazing that they included this. And this is a 6.5% blend of stabilized retinoids. So this is a little bit stronger. It's definitely for someone who has tried retinols. Like, I've used their Luna many times and I love it so much. I'm excited to try this. I just thought it was really good. It's got CoQ10 and honey in it as well, so that's exciting. I basically paid less than 40 bucks for this and got an $80 serum and all the other stuff. So this for me was what like really made me do it. The next thing is the Big Brave Boo Boo Balm. So that's what it looks like. Interesting. Oh wow, that's just like writing all over it. I've got to just look at the book. I can't. So it's a Skin Saver Make It Better salve. High efficacy has garnered a cult following among doctors, families, and health and beauty aficionados. So I can probably get down with this. I hope that maybe it's like Dr. Lips Nipple Balm. I know that's like a crazy name, but that stuff is so good for your lips. It's ridiculous. And then the last thing is the SULWHASOO Essential Balancing Emulsion. So this I know is a brand that's really expensive. They have this gorgeous compact that's like ornate gold detail of like deer on it, and that shit is like $250. So the full size of this is $63. So I'll try to like work out the value, but I'm excited to try something from this brand. There's like, it's got a little creaminess to it. It feels nice and thin though. It says it battles dryness and uneven skin tone using herbal ingredients. So you basically use it after cleansing and toning. So it kind of works like an essence. Usually emulsions are like an essence-ish kind of product, but if you use both, you would go toner, essence, emulsion, serum, moisturizer. That's a lot, right? So that's our test tube. Let me know what you think about it. This is the one for March, I believe. So again, it will be 2 months until I get another one. If you're keen to see me unbox this every other month, then let me know in the comments, and let me know what you thought about it. If you thought it was a good value or something you might be interested in. I will of course link it below if you want to check it out any further, and of course leave me a thumbs up if you do enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. You can hit the notification bell if you would like to know every time I upload, and I appreciate you guys watching so much. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.